Hey, I am Sandeep Dinodiya. I led tech and product at Emiza. What Emiza is, I think some of you know, Emiza is fulfillment focused, supply chain logistics company, with tech and operation at core. We are here since 7, 8 years in industry with service and process excellence in fulfillment world. We are known for it. We are changing the game of D2C industry. And we have gathered here to launch the one of its kind of product, Unify. So before launching the product, why we are launching and what is the problem any D2C brand is facing today, I'll be talking from two fronts. One from consumer end perspective, second from seller and brand perspective. For consumer perspective, why end consumer need to buy from the D2C brand website? Because most of them buying big from the marketplaces as we speak today. First is trust deficiency. Because most of the reasons are, one is the checkout experience, because it's completely shattered on different web store. Second is EDD promise, because if I'm going on a PDP page, well, I'll check, hey, how much time my order gonna take, just like, and parallel experience like Amazon and Flipkart of the world. Third is the multiple delivery options, because today is a hyper-local is new local. So it's like we are expecting the order to be delivered in the same day, next day, or it's a minimal stimulated time. The fourth is end-to-end deliveries and communication, because how do I engage where my order is, where it is? There's a lot of ambiguity automatically kills. These are the 4 reasons where any end consumer want to buy. Now, from the seller and brand perspective, so if they want to deliver any order, so for the consumer perspective, they need to touch upon 3 to 4 service provider, whether be it any D2C brand, big or small. It's a checkout, fulfillment, last mile, communication, and analytics. And these are the 5 crux needed to become a successful D2C brand even. Now, the problem does exist. Do we have the solution? Because, and ask yourself, do we have it as we speak today? So answer is no. Some of they are there, that is the broken experience altogether. So from now onwards, you don't need to worry. Most of that because we are launching our Unify product, what this is about, this is start from checkout to delivery. You don't need to go to any platform to experience this. We have the checkout, we have the best-in-class fulfillment, we have the last mile, we have the communication, we have the analytics. That's what we're going to provide under one roof, under one platform. Now, you might be surprising, how are we doing it? Since I spoke about, we have the core at Fulfillment Center we developed over the years. And if you see, any journey of D2C brands start from inventory. Because if, let's say, you are delivering from one point to another, what will be happening? Where is the order? Because this is the connection between seller and buyer, both. Now, from the fulfillment networks, we usually take your prior orders from our engine, which is powered by MLAI, and gone towards it. We will be identifying where you need to keep your inventory to make your end consumer at the peak and give your SDD, NDD of the world. Now, we will be doing is, going for experiencing this in live format. I would request, please scan this QR code. And there is a pamphlet out there. Inside, there is a QR code. We're going to just, how it looks like. Are we just exaggerating, hey, doesn't exist, let's experience it. I would request all of you, please take out your mobile and scan it. And we will doing it together. My colleague will be running at, on the screen itself. And please, you guys also, I would request to scan and then do that. Just put the QR code again, please. Once, I'll pause for 30 seconds and then, and there are QR code in the pamphlet, you can open it and scan it also on your seats, please. I'll pause for 30 seconds. Yeah, now we will also experiencing on the screen. Once you go scan the QR code, it will land it on the web store, which is in this case is our store, which is Unify store, where all of your item is listed. In your case, there will be D2C website, be it is built on Shopify, Unicommerce, WooCommerce, any of the store, maybe native as well. Once you go it, I talked about the problems, which is end consumer. Now end consumer in play. So what, let's say if I am an end consumer, I want to buy this diary and mug. I want to show, I might have the less intent. So first I'll check, hey, I'll just put up my PIN code. I'll check, hey, this order gonna reach it when? So this is powered by our fulfillment and all the analytics that we did, and then we are finding out this order will be delivered by 9th June, and if you order in next 2 hours. And there are a lot of algorithms and data behind this. Once my intent is high, and then intention of end user is also high, because if I do it in within 2 hours, then this will be, delivering by day after. Now I'll go for instant checkout. Once you go on instant checkout, it will prompt you to, verify your number. Reason being because we all know in D2C brands where there are a lot of bogus orders, and just like, number putting, there is no verification around it. So we'll go for OTP verification. Once we'll have this OTP verification, why we are doing it? Because we are processing millions of orders on monthly basis. So if any of your order, which is fulfilled by Emiza at any given point of time, what we will be doing, based on that, we will be fetching all of your addresses, which is delivered in past by Emiza fulfillment network. Now we'll be, okay, I think there is a OTP receiving we are seeing. This is the, now go to the OTP. It is disconnected, I guess. I'm not sure. Can somebody? It's connectivity issue. Okay. Yeah. Cool. I think we'll start. Once you enter any number, it will go for OTP verification. Please do that. Sorry about that. I think there is a disconnect. This is the OTP you will be receiving on your mobile. Why we are doing? Because it will give you the verification of the user and mobile so that you can have a seamless experience with your end buyer. Now, based on the experience, you will have the multiple addresses even. If you'll go for that, it is like, the addresses list that you want to deliver, just like Amazon and Flipkart of the world, you can check it from that. Based on your addresses, there will be multiple delivery option you can see. What is the tenant behind it? The tenant behind for the multiple delivery option from the network that we have shown, where you need to keep your inventory to achieve SDD and NDDs. And that is your maximum order will be fall in those fulfillment center to achieve this. Let's say we have selected the Accelerate, which is the faster one. There will be the payment options like, multiple, like be it UPI, be it credit card, be it prepaid and COD. Usually in this world, we all know like 80-20 ratio for COD and prepaid. Let me place and fall in that category. We'll go for COD. In this case also, we are putting still, giving emphasis users, you go for prepaid, because prepaid buyer are more intense buyer, and their tendency towards the RTO will be literally less. Once you place on order, it will sync to, let's say this was Shopify store, it's go for Shopify store. We will send you the confirmation. Once we'll send you, you will receive a chat message from us. Hey, you place an order. Now, because in D2C, we all know like there is a gap. Once you place order, we don't know what is the intention. And that is the reason there is a RTO, the other glitches, and then a lot of cost occurring even. Once you confirm your order, this user has confirmed the order. At the same time, if you confirm the order, we don't know your addresses because you might have just, experiencing the things. Your address is correct or not, or if you want to update the address, if your intention was correct. Let's say my address is correct. So once your address is correct, we are saying, hey, thank you, and then your order will be shipped shortly. Now, this is the consumer journey we are talking about, end to end. where the consumer coming, have the seamless checkout, have the promotion, everything that will be there. And then I think we have taken 2 to 3 minutes. If you are doing again, it will take you less than a minute because all the data will be storing and there is SSO enabled. Now we'll go from the seller perspective, because we talk about, because seller is facing a lot of problem. Being a 3-4 service provider, they do not have the visibility that what's going on. Now end consumer, done his part. This is the Unify product where you will be looking all the orders. What it is like, let's say my colleague was placing this order, this one. It's all the information. You have that, let's say this was placed on Shopify, you can go to Shopify and all. It is reserved now because you confirmed your order. Reserved means this is gone to the particular fulfillment center and it is up for the processing. Now if you see, this is the one part of it. Now what we will do, we'll go to the, let's say, how it is being processed from the fulfillment center side. Now what we'll do, just wait for a second, please. We'll take the order, actually, from the audiences. Yeah, please come to the screen. Order screen, please. I would request one of you give me the order. I would say Chinmay. Who is Chinmay? Someone placing order from, let's say, because it's going live, so might be placing from there. I would say, who is Manoj? Please identify yourself. Great. So your is in pending verification. You might need not confirm your order as of now. So can you please do that for me? So reason being, because if this is not confirming, then what will happen? It will still on the seller side song, because we are not reserving the inventory, because user intention might not be buying it. Once you confirm your order, what will happen? It will just come up and then we'll process this order into the warehouse itself. Please go to the warehouse quickly. Go for picking. Is it come to the that state? Yeah, please. Go for picking. See, this is what we did is that has been picked in the warehouse by the picker. Now, I think we'll process your order backend because we want to emphasize given time on the Unify itself. We'll come back to your order because it goes through packaging, manifestation, and gate out. So it will be going to dispatch path even. So this is the product we are talking here, which is the Unify, which will give you homepage, all the banners about the product. Go to analytics because it's a core of any business. Let's say in this case, you will have your COD, your prepaid, your order trends, everything. Everything you can have it so you can take some decisions. You goes to, from the fulfillment side, you will have all of your order, which inventory is being placed in which warehouse, in what state it is being visible in this platform, and you can take some decisions. You go to checkout solution where you will see all of your order trend, all of your sales trend, all of your conversion, start from, let's say, funneling, checkout, payment page, and what is the conversion on month, on week basis. Go for abundant. It's like who has left the item into the cart, take the decisions, and start the conversion so that it will boost the sales and everything that you can take the decisions. Go for converse. In this product, you have the communication suite where you will have it entirety of what is the communication you are sending on what events and how it is being sent. All of your conversation, you just quickly go, please. Once you have it, what conversation is somebody doing? All of being recorded and synced to the seller itself, so that all of your ambiguity towards this end buyer and seller will kill it right there. You will have the atlas, which is what is going in the fulfillment side. You will have how many orders being unfulfilled, how many picked, manifested, and everything. That will show even all of your inventory placed across all the warehouses, being your snapshot, being your analytics if you want to do it. Just the clustering we shown, you upload the data and you have it even, runtime. So this is all your finances, integrations, that's what it should be on the platform. Now we quickly come on the orders, please. The Chinmay order, please. No, I get Manoj order was there. Manifestation, yeah. You go to the timeline. See, this is the one part of it. It is the Manoj order, please. Yeah, it is dispatch, I guess. And this is, you go to the timeline once, please. This is the bingo part. Somebody placed this order. It is being through the life cycle from the checkout, fulfillment, and last mile. Now we have signed the courier. It is gone to the assign and dispatch. It means courier has taken from the fulfillment center and then done by that. So this is, I think it's a great, your courier might be coming right now. I can see it. Manoj, please stand up. I think, yeah, your courier is there, I think, and it's by the CEO himself, Ajay. Great, I think. This was the end-to-end journey, guys. This is what we are thinking, and I am saying that the most of the problem about the pricing, because there are 3-4 players, a service provider, you don't have the pricing controls. We are saying we have the flat pricing. We are here to nail the industry along with you folks. We want to build the best-in-class operation, best-in-class tech, best-in-class experience, no matter what. And that's what we do, and we'll continue to evolve with you folks. Let's build it together. Let's build the experience. Let's build the D2C system, and looking forward to work with you all. Thank you.